Hello everyone. We are in the middle of an ice storm. Obviously all across the country there's been a lot of snow and ice, but we're here in Tennessee and driving around. Me and Courtney decided to come down to the creek, bring the dogs down here. About 20 degrees, but snowstorm started Sunday, and I actually closed up the bar Sunday at 6 o'clock. And then it's Tuesday now, so it kind of iced Monday, snowed a little bit Monday night, and now here we are Tuesday. So we're gonna do some fishing and hopefully catch some fish in this beautiful, beautiful weather. Yeah, let's get to it. Fishing in the snow, we're going fishing in the snow. I wonder if the smallies will bite in the snow. Wow, this is pretty. So pretty. Bo, get out of the water, dude. It's like cold. Excuse me guys, excuse me guys. All right, first cast. It's cold.
Oh yeah, my fingers are like numb.
It's cold, my hands are numb, my fingers are numb. I want to go home, but let's keep doing this. Man, Bo, don't you dare get close. No, hey, get back. I'm not getting you out of this. Oh man. Okay, there we go. Whew, whew. Yeah, let's get back in the truck. Dadgummit. It's like frozen over.
Woo-wee! And I'm left. He's leaving me.
Alrighty, folks. After a quick donut sesh, we are going to make a couple more casts before it gets dark, and then head home. Or actually, probably go get something to eat. But anyway, make a couple more casts and see if we can catch a fish or two. Alrighty, guys and gals, we are done for today.